Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Kirti Devi from Sarhat College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today we will see third year BBA. Subject name is Data Abstraction and Data Mining. Okay. In that we will see the topic name Data Abstraction and three schema. So in data abstraction there are the levels of abstraction. Physical levels, in that describe how the data records is stored. Second is a logical level. Here describe data stored in database and the relationship among the data. Third one is a view level. Application programs hide details of data types. View can also hide the information for security purpose. So if you are observing in this figure, the lowest is a physical level, second is a logical level, and third one is a view level. It is depend on the it makes a different views, view 1, view 2, view n number of. Okay. So what is the instant and schemas? So instant means collection of information stored in a database at a particular moment. Instances are changed frequently. Schema. Overall design of the database. Schemas are changed frequently. Schemas are partitioned according to levels of abstraction. So physical schema, database design at the physical level, and logical schema means database design at the logical level. Now come to the next point is the data independence. Okay, before we will learn about the data abstraction, some basic concept you have to clear. What is the schema, what is the instant, and what is the data independence. Okay, so data independence means what? The ability to modify schema definition in one level without affecting a schema definition in the higher level is called data independence. So there are the two types of data independence. First one is logical data independence and second physical data independence. In logical data independence means the ability to change logical schema without changing external schema or application program is called logical data independence. Here they have given the one example. So faculty data is collected, feed strings, okay, faculty ID, okay. So faculty ID is a strings. It's maybe it is a combination of characters and numbers. F name means faculty name is also the combination of characters and numbers also. Office, it is an integer. It's maybe the numbers, and salary is a real. Okay, so real, integer, string, this is known as the data types. Okay, divided into, so that all the faculty data they have collected and they are divided into the two parts. First one is a faculty public and second is a faculty private. So in faculty public there is a faculty ID, FID, faculty name, F name, and office. Okay, so that is the public information, public data. Okay, so everyone knows in your organization, your faculty name, your name, your ID, and your office number, like in a department. In fact, which data they want to secure or they want to save in the private? So faculty ID and his salary. So in organization they have not disclosed the salary to the everyone or anyone. Okay, so that data they have to keep in a privately. So they have made the two schemas. So faculty public and faculty private. So in three schema architecture, there are the first level is a internal schema, that is the storage view. Second is conceptual schema, common view user, and last one is a view level, external. So external schema 1, 2, or schema Z, A, B, C, or n number of we can show. So in external internal schema is a physical level. Okay, conceptual is a logical level, and this is the physical schema. So three third schema, three schema is a last or highest level is known as the view level. Many users are not concerned with all the information in the database. Okay, so which data we have stored in a database, some users are don't know. Okay, in finance, suppose I am in a finance department, I need only the finance data, so I am accessing only the finance related data. I don't want to interfere, or I don't want to look the data of manufacturer, sales, or other department. Okay, I want to work only the finance, so I am accessing only that data. Okay, simplifies the end user interaction with the system. System may produce many views for the same database. Okay, so in the database there are the separate out view levels, there are separate out. Suppose in view level there is the finance, so they want only the finance related data. View 2 there is a sales, so they want only the sales related data. View 3 is a your manufacture, so they need only the manufacture data, and they have the access only the manufacture data. So there are the different many views for the same database. Middle level is known as, or second level is known as the logical level or conceptual level. Here describe about the data stored in database and relationship among the stored data. This level is used by the DBA. DBA means database administration. The DBA decide what information kept in the database. Okay, and which information they want, they are just save that information, and which information they don't want, they have hide that information, or they can delete that information. In last level, that is the internal or physical level, this is the lowest level of abstraction. Describe the data storage and access method. DBA may aware of certain details of physical organization of data. Describe how the data are actually stored. Okay, so for examples, you are packing your bag. Okay, at physical level we can consider, if you want to go for vacation 2 3 days, and you are packing your bag, so that time in one bag you are keeping your clothes, you are also keeping your shoes, sandals, your perfumes, your shampoos. Okay, your other accessories, you all the things are you are keeping in a one bag, you pack in a only one bag. So that's a physical level, we don't know which things you want where. Okay, but you just keeping in the one bag. So in that is a physical level. So how the data comes in the organization, that data they are just stored in a, or feed in a physical level. So Mike is a name, user, and Drum is a user. So they want the view a level, so they can access or use that data. In external view, there is a two user, Jack and Justin, they can access that data only. Okay, so here in view level there is not allowed to Jack access the view a data, or Mike not allowed to access the view b data. Okay, so this is the database, this is the three schema architecture. Okay, so if you are observing these examples, so in internal levels means the physical